Hi everyone, so I'm making this video to explain how you can get this button out without damaging anything. So I read on internet that you can put a flathead screwdriver here, but in that way you can easily damage something. So forget about this rope, I'll explain later. So to do that you need to take a piece of tape and you need to push the tape in this gap here. You need to push it as much as you can. Just easy. Okay, and stick it to the button like this. Now you take piece of cardboard and push it in this gap so that you can push the tape against the button, and in this way the tape will stick to the button. Okay, that's it. And now you just need to pull it out. Just don't pull it out in a straight way, pull it in bit of an angle, something like this. So pull it out and put the cardboard behind, so like that, and that's it. The button is out. You can now install it in your car. So for this rope, because I'm not installing it right now, I use this rope so that I can easily get the button out when I am installing it in my car. So I push the rope behind the button on this side, get it out on this side, and that's it. In that way, as you can see, I don't need to use the cardboard here. I can easily take the button out. So that's it, guys. That's the easy way. If you like this video or if it was helpful to you, give me a thumbs up. Goodbye.